Yeah. Oh yeah, life's getting better. It doesn't feel or sound or taste or touch like it's getting any better. All we can do is cry and rain and hope to wash out a fucking spider. But we can't. And this spider acts like it's some kind of mother to us all, right? But the earth is a mother to us all, and this spider with its world wide web is gonna connect us, connect me, connect the tears, connect the dot to the other people in the world, right? That really care. Yeah, that's not what it's about. It's about a bunch of greed and murder. Murder that private property has created. As if me and all my people, and whether they be homeless or whether they just can't relate or can't fit in, or they don't want the pussycat mentality. They don't want to be perfect. They don't want to curl up into some social organism that is fucking defunct. As if they were all eradicated, as if they all weren't here, suddenly life would be peachy and perfect. I beg to differ. I wonder if anything would even grow. I'm so sad, and I'm just telling you now, life is not getting better. And I don't know what to do, because I used to have hope that I could save others, but I haven't saved a single fucking person from this madness for a long fucking time. And now I'm just clinging on, hoping that I can save myself, and it's fucking craziness. So, thanks for cheering me up after being so absent.